and welcome to the fourth lesson of the Site Reliability Engineering course, and in this session, we're focusing on one of the most critical responsibilities of an SRE, incident management and postmortems. When systems breaks, and it will, how your team responds can mean the difference between a 5-minute blip and a multi-hour outage. This lesson is all about staying calm under pressure, acting fast, and learning from failures. In this lesson, we'll break it down into 3 essential topics. 1. Incident response workflows. 2. Blameless postmortems and root cause analysis, RCA. 3. Runbooks and playbooks. Let's dive in. So, what actually happens when a system breaks in production? That's where incident response workflows come in. These are predefined steps your team follows to recover from issues quickly and efficiently. Let's walk through a typical incident response process. 1. Detection. Monitoring tools like Prometheus or Datadog can notice an abnormal spike in latency or error rate. 2. Alerting. Platforms like PagerDuty or Opsgenie send alerts to the on-call engineer. 3. Acknowledgement. Someone on the team takes ownership and begins investigation. 4. Diagnosis. They gather data, logs, metrics, and traces to understand the issue. 5. Mitigation. A fix is applied, traffic may be rerouted, or services rolled back. 6. Resolution. The system is restored, and the alert clears. 7. Post-incident review. The team meets to document what happened and how to prevent it next time. Tools like PagerDuty and Opsgenie help automate and organize this entire flow from escalation to collaboration. SREs aim for speed, coordination, and calm decision-making, even during chaos. Once the fire is out, it's time to learn from it. This is where postmortems come in, a structured process to analyze the incident, understand what went wrong, and improve for the future. But here's the key, it has to be blameless. Blameless postmortems mean, no finger pointing, no punishment, and just facts and learning. Why? Because people are more likely to report issues, share insights, and prevent repeat failures when they feel psychologically safe. Your postmortem should include a timeline of events. The root cause, that is, what really caused the incident. The impact on users and systems. What went well, and what didn't, and lastly, action items for follow-up. Now let's give more context to understanding what root cause is all about. Root cause analysis, RCA, is about finding the cause behind the cause, not just what happened, but why it happened. Instead of blaming a human mistake, you might discover poor documentation, missing alerts, fragile code, or unclear ownership. The goal is to fix the system, not the person. Finally, let's talk about your emergency manual. Runbooks and playbooks. When something breaks, time is precious. You don't want engineers scrambling through old Slack messages or outdated wikis. That's where runbooks and playbooks help. A runbook is a step-by-step guide for routine operations, like restarting a service, scaling up a cluster, or clearing a queue. A playbook is a predefined response for known incidents, for example, how to respond if latency spikes over 500 milliseconds. These documents are your team's collective memory, they help reduce confusion, speed up recovery, and train new team members faster. Let's quickly recap what we've learned in this lesson. Incident response workflows help teams detect, escalate, and resolve issues quickly, using tools like PagerDuty and Opsgenie. Blameless postmortems and root cause analysis help your team learn and improve after an incident, without fear or blame. Runbooks and playbooks provide the knowledge and structure to respond effectively and consistently when things go wrong. To help you reinforce what you've learned and explore more advanced lessons, please click the link in the description to access this lesson on Motiva Logic Academy Learning Management System, where you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on lab and projects to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, Explore the full catalog of advanced hands-on courses and downloadable resources designed to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and visit the link in the description. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss the future lessons. Thanks for watching.